We are live. My name is David, and what I would like to do is to quickly explain my thoughts on why my colleagues are shunning the CityU Wiki, which you can find right over here. I was actually speaking to one of my colleagues who has used this wiki extensively, and she was lamenting the fact that not many students, not many colleagues that is, use this wiki. Instead, Dropbox has remained popular, as has Blackboard. And I explained that one of the biggest issues with using this wiki is number one, finding the link. It's an obscure link right over here. And the second thing is actually learning all of the mouse clicks to navigate this website. As you can see right over here, there is a lot of information. There's a main page here, there's a sidebar here, there's a title bar over here. And to a novice, someone who isn't very digitally literate, this can be very intimidating. And in fact, in order for me to find my way to the next screen, the screen which I want to get to, I actually have to click this button. I have to find this button, then I have to click it. Then I need to choose the correct wiki site, and as you can see, I have several, of which one I use regularly. And here I am. So this is the wiki site, and again, comparing this wiki interface with the Dropbox interface, I think it's easy to see why many colleagues have adopted the Dropbox, simply because the interface is familiar. We're all familiar with folders. We know how to deal with folders. Whereas with this interface, which looks a lot like a Google Sites interface, a typical wiki interface, there are a lot of buttons. Links here in the top right hand corner, links in the top left hand corner, a sidebar, and then a content area. And in this wiki we have the same thing, where there's information in the top right, there's a lot of information to the right, there's information in this sidebar, and then there's a main area. And it takes a long time. It takes many repetitions, I believe, to acquaint yourself with where to click with this digital text type. So, for example, in my meeting today, I had to find some test papers, and after scanning all of this information, I could either click here or here. So let me click there. And then I know that I don't need to look at the sidebar anymore. I can look in the main area here and click on test paper, and I've reached the test papers. So this is a very difficult process to internalize, all of these mouse clicks. For example, how do I fix this page? How do I share it with people? I need to click on this. I need to manage this site. I need to do several things like click on the sharing button and then type this here, invite these people. After that, I have to click on return to site. So basically, like learning anything, it requires a lot of repetition, and a lot of colleagues don't have the time, nor do they have the patience to go through this process. It's unfamiliar. This kind of text type is alien to them, and I'm not sure how this wiki website offers more benefits to our colleagues than this Dropbox interface. Okay, of course, you can put static information here in this sidebar, and you can organize things here, but otherwise it's really difficult to learn to use one of these things, this wiki here or this wiki here. It's a challenge.